Hey there, welcome to my virtual diary. My name is Hannah and I'm a Filipina living in Sofia, Bulgaria with my husband Bess. Join me as I navigate my mid-20s in an unfamiliar place while finding balance between life and work. In today's vlog, we'll take you with us on our first Jimny meet and off-roading. This little adventure was way more than what we expected it to be. We're so happy that such a community exists and we can wait to join more adventures in the future. Hello! Good morning! Today we are heading to... I don't really know, but we're going to attend a Jimny meetup. It's so pretty here. There's still some snow on the ground, which is not seen. I mean, we don't have it in the city anymore. And look at this road. We're starting our off-road adventures. Baby steps. Kind of scary. Oh my god, look at that. Well, looks like it. Okay.
That's awesome. I'm already hooked.
That's so cool.
I'm already hooked. Много са пързане обаче с тия гуми. Преди малко трябва да включа 4x4.
Now I'm invested.
Само да изключи от четворното предаване.
Карай, тук е първалил.
I'm invested, you guys. I'm hooked. I don't even know where I'm supposed to hold on to. I was trying to hold on my head. This is how we hold on. Oh no!
Супер! Готови сме. Да. Добре, че имам добър скутър.
Да, аз ще излезем там от пътя.
Добре.
Yeah, it was so scary. We were not prepared for this. I thought it was just like a stroll in the park kind of thing, but no.
Затова много подбирам линиите.
То точно това е най-важното. Има много хора, дето тръгват и това въобще не им е. А ти много хубаво минаваш и винаги си много далеч. През цяло винаги на високо оставаш.
Значи толкова часове гледане на YouTube видеа не е било излишно. YouTube училище.
Вече, покачване ще те чувства. Някъде трябва да е още малко, може би напред.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what.
Update. We're still alive.
Съжалявам, ама спирам почти на всяко дръвче.
So rangy. We're now walking. We left our car all the way up there because we need to remove, I think, a big tree. It's on the way. Babe, I did. He's still cutting some branches. He's so scared to scratch the chimney. Whoa, let's breathe in fresh air. Just here, I'm waiting for Bess to come down so that I can film him. A nice shot here. Best wife of our coast. Oh my gosh. This is cardio. So how are you feeling?
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm a bit anxious to see the paint, but it was awesome. I even got a workout in running up the trail. I was barely catching my breath when I reached the car.
Now we're heading back to the, no, not back, but we're heading to the city, to the center of this village.
The universe.
To have lunch at Mehana. It's a traditional Bulgarian restaurant, right?
I think they said they didn't want to go to McDonald's.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, then
smaller thing.
we'll go somewhere.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. It's our first time in this area of Bulgaria. What are we having?
I don't know.
It's so quiet here. It's peaceful.
The village. We got so used to Sofia. So stressful.
But it's so nice here. It's calm. I like the vibe. We're taking a different path. Still off-road.
Все още само на запад.
Look at that view, you guys.
Тук гледката е жестока.
So pretty. Guys, look at this view. So pretty. And look at this other view. Wow. Okay. So that's British and that is real mountain over there. And I don't know if you guys can see the slopes. So cool. Wow.
I'm changing and it's strange, I'm not complaining. But do I always have to learn the hard way? I can't keep coming out, get fucked up on whatever. You know I gotta grow. I just wanna stay young forever. I got big dreams inside my head, my diamonds made under pressure. And I'm here wondering if I'll ever get my shit together. Cause I'm not ready to be better. All I
we turn around because they're
Turn around.
every now and then I get a little bit. I was eating in the car.
Yeah, it smells so much.
I'm sorry.
Like socks.
Because it's cheese. We had to turn around because there are deep tire tracks on the other side that we're supposed to go to.
Plan stuff and never do it. It's a thing. Bad luck and no improvement. And every year all backed up. There's resolutions, but there's never movement. Still, I want to be a better human. It's overwhelming when you look like a...
No, oh no, baby. They're stuck. The ice.
Oh, stuck. Yeah, the Jimny is going.
We're back on the main road because all the roads are blocked from the mountain, from the mountain pass. So, not the mountain pass, but all the roads are
The
blocked.
paths.
Yeah,
The
all
forest
the
paths. We run into an issue in each one that we took. We tried like 3 different ones,
yeah.
but none of them worked. So we just went back and we took the regular road.
Yeah, it's good, calm. It's really good. And this drink is nice. It's from Korea. I didn't know. My first time drinking this. It's actually his, not mine. Just tried it. Okay, we'll see you. Oh my goodness.